Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a Google Calendars. Now let's get started. First, open your Google Calendars apps, and after this, in here at a Google Calendars, you can set the goals, the reminder, the tags, and after this, in here you can in here you can synchron the Google Calendar with your Gmail or anything else. And after this, in here um, you can schedule your meeting at Google Meet. So that's how to use a Google Calendars. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.